how's everybody doing in this quarantine? I am of course staying at home and I have a lot of cleaning up to do, so I thought, well, I might as well take you with me and I could either entertain you or motivate you to clean or show you some tips and tricks of how to clean. So let's do this. First, I'm gonna start with my room. Ta-da! One thing that I really like to do is to play my favorite music while I'm cleaning. So definitely do that, it will motivate you. The music that I usually play to clean is more like Latin dance music. I'm Mexican, so that just gets me going, but you do whatever you need to do. So another tip is the first thing I do when I come downstairs is I plug in my wallflower. This is from Bath & Body Works. Doesn't matter where it is from. Just, you know, you can turn on a candle. Just start like a nice smell going. So I just plug this in and ta-da! So another tip is make sure you have a water bottle or some water next to you while you're cleaning, because you will definitely get thirsty. So I just keep mine next to me and then I carry it all over the house and then just keep myself hydrated. done for today. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower because I'm all dirty and stinky. So I want to be clean. And after that, I'm just gonna go see what I do next. So I'll see you next video and have a really good day. Bye.